there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video we will see how to print this pattern. To understand the logic behind this pattern, we have to print 5 one time, then 4 2 times, 3 3 times, 2 4 times and 1 1 time, right? Again we start from the first row and we have to go column wise printing. Now when I go for the first row, if I again start with 1, I will not get the ending value. So if you remember the last video where we covered printing 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you will realize that it's easier if I start the outer loop from 5. So to print this pattern, again I'll say my outer loop, that is I, it starts from 5. And you can see this is varying. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you need to know what is varying and you need to have the outer variable start with that value. So here it starts from 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So outer loop starts from 5 and it goes till 1 and I decrement. And the inner loop, because the starting value, can you see now, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is varying. So in that case, this particular loop starts from, now this is varying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But what we have to print? We have to print 5 one time. We have to print 4 2 times. We have to print 3 3 times. That means when my I is 5, I have to print 5 one time. When my I is 4, 4 2 times. I is 3, 3 3 times. I is 2, 2 4 times. So basically I want to print the value of I. So my inner loop just has to in a way start that for the outer loop when I is 5, it runs one time. Outer loop when I is 4, it runs 2 times and so on. So I can say I is equals to 5, j is equals to 5, j greater than equal to I, j minus minus, SOP without a ln, I say I and I don't print j, I put a space and then for the outer loop I write SOP ln. So now you can see when I is 5, this loop runs one times, it prints the value of I, that is 5. When I becomes 4, this loop runs 2 times because my I is 4, so j is 5, then equal to 4, 5 and 4 and it prints the value of I 2 times. Then when again my I becomes 3, this runs 5, 4, 3, it prints the value of 3 3 times and so on. So let's go ahead, execute the same on BlueJ and see the output. Now to print this pattern, again my outer loop starts from 5 or the number of rows that I want to print, and then again I greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. Now the thing is that I am not using the inner loop variable for printing, right? I will be using the I for printing because when I is 5, I have to print 5 one time. When I is 4, I have to print 4 2 times. So I just need the inner loop to control the number of columns. So I can say for int j is equals to rows, j greater than equal to I and then j minus minus and then I'll print I and not j. Remember this, we have already discussed this in the video, and then I'll say print ln. So now when my rows suppose is 5, my j is 5, 5 greater than equal to 5, it runs one time. When my I is 4, j is 5, 5, 4, it runs 2 times, printing 4 twice. So let's see, I execute, I enter the number of rows as 6. So I should get 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2 and 1, 1, 1. So this is how you can print the patterns. With this we come to an end of this video. Happy learning, take care and bye-bye.